Hello and welcome to today's Chat and Shoot. I'm your presenter, Tia Teamer, and today we're going to focus on Delgado Community College's Career Service Office, located within the Center for New Student Engagement and Transition. The Career Service Office offers a number of services, including but not limited to discovering career interests, resume and cover letter creation and critiques, interview preparation, job search strategies, and access to a database of employment opportunities. Throughout this presentation, you are going to learn a little bit more about these services, what they entail, and how to access them via virtual appointments with career service staff members. In appointments for discovering career interests, career service staff members will guide students through career assessments such as Matchmaker and Ability Profiler that help students identify their likes and dislikes as well as what jobs their skills and interests align with. Staff members can also introduce students to programs of study at Delgado that match up with their career of choice. Students can also develop success plans that help students become career ready post college. Students can upload resumes to be approved or disapproved and receive critiques from career service staff members via College Central, a job search engine for Delgado alumni, community residents, and students. Staff members can also provide students with resume checklists to help with formatting, personal information, profile summaries, objectives, reference pages, and more. Staff members can also help students develop cover letters and restructure resumes to fit job descriptions. Career service staff members also meet with students to prepare for interviews, practice interview etiquette and common interview questions, as well as dress rehearsals and finding talking points and helping research companies and expectations. Students can also schedule mock job interviews. The Career Service Office also helps students in their job search by utilizing College Central's job board and career and networking events. The Career Service staff also encourages students to create profiles on professional networks such as Indeed and LinkedIn. There are two ways to access College Central. One, visit Delgado's website or use the website link on the screen. Community residents can access College Central by visiting www.collegecentral.com/DCC. Select Community Resident and create a username and password. After creating a username and password, community residents will be prompted to complete a form of personal information to create a College Central profile. The second way you can schedule an appointment is through Delgado's website. For students, the username for your College Central profile is your L number with your own created password. To schedule directly from Delgado's website, begin at Career Services homepage and click Schedule an Appointment. Appointment types include career discovery, interview preparation, resume creation and critiques, and registering to complete the ability profiler. To schedule an appointment with a career service staff member, select appointments and choose one of the following categories. After choosing a date and time, complete appointment details. Due to the current pandemic, staff members are only accepting virtual appointments and using video conferencing as the appointment format. Insert an appointment type and specify reasons for the appointment. Once you've booked the appointment, you will receive a confirmation email with the Microsoft Teams link meeting. The Career Service Office is located in the Center for New Student Engagement and Transition on the City Park campus, Building 2, Room 307. Career Service staff also provide workshops with topics such as time management, virtual interview skills, selecting your major, and much more. If you have any questions regarding career assistance, feel free to email us at cnset@dcc.edu or schedule an appointment with a career service staff member. Thanks for watching and have a magnificent day.